Hello there, just watched the movie The Hole in the Ground. This is a movie from 2023. It is rated R and it is 1 hour and 31 minutes long. A little boy disappears into the Irish wilderness, but when he returns, seemingly different, his mother begins to fear. Oh, that he is an imposter. I thought this was done okay. There were a few things that I didn't like about the movie. One was there was quite a bit of strobing in the movie, and as someone with epilepsy, I don't appreciate the strobing aspects. But a lot of the second half of the movie had a lot of scenes that wound up being stroby. And I also really just wasn't that thrilled with the ending. I feel like a different ending would have been more interesting than what we saw. But other than that, I thought it was okay. I'd give it a 2 out of 5 stars. It's rated R if I didn't say that. What would you give it, Lisa, out of 5?
What'd you do?
No, you, what are you, out of 5, what would you give this movie?
2.5.
A 2.5, okay.
What'd you say?
I said 2.
Yeah, 2.5. Yeah.
But I will link it below if you're interested in checking that out. And if you've seen The Hole in the Ground, let me know what you thought of it. And if you haven't seen it, do you typically like scary movies or suspenseful movies? I guess scary and suspenseful are different. I don't think this was supposed to be scary.
More suspense, if anything.
Yeah, I'd say
I guess
this
it had creepy, scary vibes.
I guess, but I'd say it would be more suspenseful. Let me know if you like suspenseful movies or if you like scary movies or maybe you like both. Let me know down below and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!